Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better.
Hi love bugs, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be doing a monthly reset. Y'all, I have to tell y'all what happened. So I really would have did a whole maintenance vlog. I would have did my hair Friday, like all this kind of stuff, but things did not go as planned. So today I am going to renew my calendar and just kind of get down how I want the month to go. I'm a journal in the morning. I'll probably just do all of it in the morning because in all honesty, it's not gonna take long at all. And I plan on getting up at 6:30 anyways. But I do want to do my calendar with you guys since it is July 1st. So yeah, without further ado, let me quit talking and let me go ahead and fix up my calendar, and then we're gonna move over to the bathroom. Oh, and I need to do my eyebrows because I haven't washed my face in over 24 hours. So I'm like, perfect time to do my eyebrows so that I can kind of wash my face in the morning, just kind of put some water on my face in the morning. So I'm gonna do my calendar and then we're gonna go to the bathroom. Y'all feel like it's not gonna come out right. And what I need to start doing is not doing so much of it at once. But honestly, it's okay because we're gonna perfect it one day. Actually, that day's not cute. I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad for you. I want this one to be a little bit more cleaner though. I think this is clean as it's gonna get, but it's actually not that bad. I'm actually okay. So I know the lighting is bad, but that's because it's 10:20. meaning it is bedtime. In about 10 minutes, I'm gonna go get my clothes, fold my clothes, and then we finna go to bed, and then we're gonna finish up the rest of everything tomorrow. The morning is pretty much just gonna consist of a Sunday reset. I'm gonna say this because I know I'm gonna be posting Sunday resets, but I really like resetting on Saturday. I'm trying to debate if I want to start doing Saturday resets, because I normally rest on Saturdays. Like Saturdays are my rest days, so that's the day I'm supposed to not do anything. Y'all, the Lord really be answering prayers. It's so crazy. So I've noticed that I will pray for things and ask God for things, and then when he gives them to me, I'm like, God, take this away, I don't want it. Not realizing that in order for me to get what I'm asking God for, he's gonna give me something that he needs first. In the midst of it, once you acknowledge it and you realize what God is actually trying to do, you will feel comfortable. So anyway, so today we have a little box, so we're going to open this up. I have some more stuff in some more boxes and stuff. I have my pots and pans that came, and my kitchen utensils. So y'all, I'm finna be so excited. I'm finna be in that kitchen cooking. Y'all don't understand when I say I'm finna be in that kitchen cooking. I feel like people don't understand me. Baby, I love to cook, and I get it from my granny. I get it from my granny. She really inspires me, because every time she just be in the kitchen, and she don't be measuring stuff. Nah, she be measuring stuff, but like when she seasons stuff and when she do stuff, it's just like it be coming out so good. I be like, how is this good every single time? You, boy, don't get me started on here enchiladas. Why is this box so hard to open? But here is the juice. Beauty and wellness should be top priority. Customized hair regimen for your hair type. It's a skin juice, so you take it, I think you take one a day, and it's a multivitamin complex with natural collagen and peptides. So I'm gonna be taking these in place of these, because I know these work wonders, and I'm gonna put y'all on and I'm gonna show y'all how what happens and everything. They have like a how to take it, everything like that. So I kind of wanted to take it first thing in the morning, but I don't know if it's gonna make me sick or anything. I doubt it'll make me sick. I'm probably just gonna take it in the morning so we can get this video started and everything. So I would take it Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Yeah, because I want to take it before I start my classes. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that, so make sure y'all stay tuned on the juices, and I will put y'all on. I'll leave all that in the description box and everything, so y'all can know what's up for real. Whew. I read the Bible, because it be giving me some advice. If you made it this far into this video, bro, you really a real one, and like, bro, God gonna bless you. So I did do the 5 minute. I went over the time, but the 5 minute prayer, 5 minute reading, and then 5 minute journaling, not in that order. But yes, you guys, that is the reset for this month. Make sure to do your monthly reset if you haven't already, because by the time y'all see this video, we're gonna be pretty much way into the month. And make sure you do your monthly reset for August, because I will be making sure I do my monthly reset for August. I am not gonna lie, I do want to start getting into weekly resets as well. Like, I know people do Sunday resets and everything. I do need to tell you guys on why I restarted my channel. So if you are OG at this channel, you know that I've been creating videos since 2017, but I deleted everything when I went to college and I started all the way over. In the long run, I just felt it wasn't benefiting me, because the videos that did get views, I hated those videos, y'all. Like, they just were terrible, but people will watch them, and that just goes to show that if you just keep consistent and you just stay on your grind, like, God will do the rest for you, for real. I do need to make a video on like why I do that, but honestly I just told y'all the gist of why I did it for real. But I do want to kind of make a video going into details on why I did it, and make sure to check out other videos and make sure to subscribe for more videos to come. I hate saying that, like, ew. It's like, I don't want y'all to subscribe because I told y'all to. I want you to subscribe because you actually like watching my content. I'm gonna start doing stuff though. I'm gonna start doing shout outs. I'm gonna bring that back. Yeah, so that is the end of this video, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you haven't done your monthly reset, to do your monthly reset. Do your check-ins with God, say your prayers, read your Bible. So I don't really think I have anything else to say, but I'll catch you in the next one.